Welcome to Cloud Learning channel. So I hope everybody is doing great. Today we are going to learn in this video how to set a budget for your Azure account. So let's start why we need the budget, right? There are few questions used to come if you are new to Azure, right? So it could be very useful for you because what happens with the time when we create the resources, right? So what is Azure budget? And this is we are going to cover and why we need Azure budget. And then there is demo to create the budget alert. Okay, so this is what we are going to cover in this video. So what is Azure budget? So Azure and why we need it. Before that, the first question, the point is like when you create, actually when you are start using Azure services, what will happen? Your services will get create. Okay, your services will get create, and your resources will get create, and it could be possible that you forget to delete those resources, right? Or sometime like you set up a limit like, okay, I will spend $100 in a month or $200 in a month for Azure services. You don't want like you goes out of the limit, right? So if you forgot your services, forgot your resources, it would be possible like you will come to more charges. So that's why we set up Azure budget. Azure budget help you to set a alert for a particular limit. So if you are say you want to say like I don't want to spend more than $100, so you can create a budget alert. What it will do, it will send you the notification that you are crossing the budget limit. Point is, the important point is that it will not stop the it comes into exam as well. Like alerts cannot stop the services and resources if budget exceed. What it do, it just send the, it is just used to send the notification so that you can take the action. Okay, that is what the whole approach. Okay, so now it is clear like what is Azure budget and why we need it. Now let's see how you can create a budget alert. Okay, so it is very simple. You go to your Azure account and go to budget, type budget, and you can search it from here. Or you can go to on the left panel and you can search budget here as well, and then can proceed accordingly. Okay, so without wasting much time, I go to directly search budget and I use it. So it comes under cost management, and then you go, there is a option like budget where you can go. Here you will find the option add, and here you give the options like whatever the name you want to give. So suppose I say monthly budget. Okay. Reset period. So when it need to reset. Billing month, billing quarter, billing year. So what you are actually doing and how it is like monthly, quarterly, and annually. Okay. These three are period where you can set up. Okay. So this is like I say monthly. Okay. So monthly for which date? 1 to 30 November. Okay. So creation date is this. Budget details is this. Okay, how much budget you want to set for this period? I say $10. Okay, monthly cost data. Last month I got charged for 8 rupees. uh Past 2 months it is 8 rupees. Maximum monthly forecast 24 rupees. Okay, so I am using few services and for that I am getting charged. Okay, so it is not in dollar, it is in rupees because I am in India, but you can choose as per your currency. Now I go further. Alert condition. Okay, Is it actual? Is it forecasted? So actual, like when your budget actually exceed the 70% or whatever the condition you want to set, right? And forecasted is like when you are assuming, okay, that it will cross the 100% limit, kind of this, right? You can link with the action group as well so that you can set up the notification to the required person. Okay, so I go to manage action group and I can create the action group as well. So here I choose my resource group. It is region because billing is something which is called regional services, monthly group alert. So to send the notification, we need to set up one action group as well. Okay, what would be name? I would like to keep the same name. There is a limit for this, so I say monthly alert. Okay, further action, what kind of notification you want? Email as your resource manager role, or email or SMS message or push or voice. Okay, suppose I say I want to send email. Okay, to which email ID you want to send? So I say like awslearning@gmail.com. If you want to occupy SMS, there would be some charges for this, but it can use for sending SMS as well. Then if you go further, like Azure mobile app notification, if there is something like that, if there is some voice message, you can integrate that as well. Enable the common alert schema, that is fine. Okay, you can use that one. Okay, so notification type, that is fine. Email and SMS message, monthly budget alert. Okay, so I'm sending the notification and it will send email and SMS. Action type, what you want to do. Further, so what kind of action you need. You can also associate it with automation runbook, Azure function, event hub, ITSM, logic app, secure webhooks. So you have the opportunity to link it if you want to trigger any particular kind of this action. Okay, suppose you want to trigger one Azure function after that, right? So you can do that. Tags, so it is like I say name, monthly budget alert, and you can create the budget simply. Okay, here you go. Review the settings and I will get the notification for this. I just set up a alert actually. So the subscription is not registered to the username space Microsoft Insight. So I need to subscribe that one. I will do that. Just give me a while. Okay guys, so for this error message which I was getting while creating the resource group was, I tried to find out the fix for this, and here you go, it got created actually, and to fix that I need to run this command. Okay, in PowerShell I need to run this command. Let me share it with you. So the error was actually like it was not able to register the Microsoft Insight, and for that, so I know this is like boring stuff used to be IT, but I tried to learn or teach it in very easy way. So this command you need to run in PowerShell. This is the PowerShell option where you can open the command line And while I connect, I choose PowerShell and then it got connected. And this is you need to run, right? Register as your RM resource provider, and I registered for provider namespace, which was Microsoft Insight, for which I was getting the error message. Now, if you go further, uh, you go to action group, and if I refresh it, the action group got created. So that was monthly visit alert, which I created. It will send one email and one SMS to me. Okay, so this is one. Now I can go and I can set up the alert as well. So here I go, the budget alert, and here you go again, budgets, and we are nearby. So you are still there. I appreciate your patience because for learning or because it is directly related to earning, right? So you learn and then you earn. So you need to spend your time, and if you spend time, that will definitely work for you. Okay. So now you add the budget alert again, like monthly budget alert, monthly budget alert. Okay, for billing period November. Okay, until 30, whatever the period you want to set up actually, right? And I say like expiration date is also 2023, and I set up my budget for 10. Next, forecasted if reach to 80%, I should get notified. If actual got it 100%, I should get notified. So those kind of things it will done. Then monthly budget alert, I set up the action group, and action group will send the alert, right? Then alert recipient email I can put directly here as well. So I put here AWS learnings at gmail.com. It says you need the unique email address because it is already defined into uh, action group, so I don't need here. So this is fine, and I don't need to take care of this much. So this is fine. I will get the notification via alert. Okay. Let me put it. Okay, language preference is fine. Now it is how it is going, how it is showing, right? It is crossing to nearby forecasted for December around 18 rupees. Okay. For November forecasted is almost 70, 16 rupees, and then you can set up, right, like the limits accordingly. So I go now and create the budget, and now we have the action group, so we should get the any error message. And now hopefully you will get the information like how this will work. Whenever you reach the 80%, whatever the value is set, like 100 rupees or whatever, like because I'm using a free, I'm want to keep my charges low, so I'm just using this one. So rupees 8 and rupees 10 I set up it for, and I will get one email and one SMS. uh, so these are the budget alert, these are the conditions, these are the amount which you selected, reset billing month, creation date 22, expiration date 30 November. So I hope you found this video useful and you are able to understand how you can set up the budget limit so that your budget will not go, or you are not paying extra money which you don't want to pay. So this is very helpful for this. Hopefully you like this video. If you like this information, please hit a like button and write comment your location, or if you find it useful, just useful. That would be helpful and motivating me. Okay. If you want to learn Azure, you can connect with me. My connect number is there in the details in the description, and you can see more Azure videos. You can subscribe this channel, and you will see more Azure videos on this, where I'm learning different services in an easy way. So thank you for watching this video. We'll meet you again very soon.